Hi guys, I'm gonna just teach you this simple song. I know it is an old song, so yeah. So like in case we check a man, so I decided no, let me do it actually. So I'm gonna do it with the key of G sharp, A flat, ne? This one. So it's up to you what to with the line. Someone else can play it like this. So it's up to you, ne? But now I decided to play it like this. It's gonna be ngabom, like I know, like maybe it's supposed to be like but I decided just to move around. That is why I'm gonna say it's 3 4 6 5 3 4 6 5. 3 4 6 5. This is one. Therefore, still one. Therefore, I'm gonna say. Therefore, so this one is sharp 5. Sharp 5, you can call it flat. You can call it flat 6, but it's sharp 5 when it comes to A flat. I'm playing in my octave, like maybe if you are confused, I'm just using octaves. This low octave, this high octave. So this one is 1 5 flat 5 1 5 flat 6. That's all. Like it's simple, man. So don't be confused. Like someone else try it, maybe like with the more simplified way, but angeke be na those spies about. So it's gonna be that is one. One way low, like way low octave with another invasion. That is 4. Maybe we can say 2. 2, but this 2 like you flatter this one. Flatter low. It's gonna be low 5. It's gonna be 5. Like it's gonna be 3 when it comes to C sharp. I mean, so I'm flat. That is gonna be 1/5. You'll be. So like it's gonna be like for you to be able to pull it alone. That is why I ended up ngala something like I name what is it, but it's gonna be like that. One. impilo yami. That is 1/5. Yobi. So someone else can say, Emungambrini, nasemuzi, meni, impilo yami, yobi, jonge kuwe. So I don't know which one you will prefer, but I think somehow long you were confused, but I know like you used to contact me via WhatsApp, so you're gonna contact me maybe that the way when we corner. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. Sharp sharp.